Hi everyone, I'm Jia Dukar and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then I usually make educational and study related content. So if you're interested, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how I scored 100 on 100 in the subject Artificial Intelligence or AI, and I'm sure this guide will also be helpful to IT and computer science students for standard 10. So let's begin with this entire video. Now AI, IT usually come as your sixth subject, which means you can take your best of 5 as your total 10 standard score as per CBSE. So I will definitely suggest you guys to try your best to perform in this subject because these are usually high scoring subjects, and if you get less marks in any other subject, you can replace it with your AI or IT marks. So do focus on these as well because it's easy to score, and I know a lot of people who have scored 100. In my very own school, there were 40 people. I think around 40 in the last year and around 27 this year who scored 100 on 100 in AI. So everyone has the potential to, and I'm going to be giving you what I followed here. Now, the best book that I use for AI is the AI handbook that was given by our school, and we had very good AI teachers as well. So what I would say is go through this handbook thoroughly, because every question that comes will come from the handbook only. So read through this and learn every single part of the handbook that is in your portions. This is a very short video because there's hardly anything to tell you. The second thing is you have communication, employability skills. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I've kind of lost touch with these subjects. But yeah, you have employability skills. Now, what I used to do for employability skills, I used to just read through it because there's a lot of knowledge that humko already pata hai. We already know these things and they're just very general knowledge. So just read through it. In some places, there are like 7 C's of communication. So learn all the 7 C's. Anywhere where points are given, learn those points, as the points will be easy for you to study. And most importantly, go through the questions that are there in the book itself, right? So there are so many questions in the book back, so go through those book back questions because a lot of them came again in my exam. Where do you practice AI from? Now there are so many sources to practice AI and IT. Just type AI class 10 questions PDF. When you open that itself, you'll get so many PDFs for AI questions, and a lot of these questions are previous year questions that come. You can also go to CBSE website and look for AI previous year question papers that you will definitely find. And it's a very easy subject. I'll just say read through everything thoroughly and you can easily answer, and you would have gone through so many question papers so far. There's high chance that these questions only come again because there's a limited number of questions you can ask in AI. So definitely go through your old questions for AI or IT, go through your old question papers, learn from your mistakes and solve it. You'll definitely score very high marks in AI. If you put in the hard work, it's very easy to score 100 or save in 95 plus. So all the best, and I hope you found this video at least a little bit helpful. Thank you and bye. Do subscribe if you like such content.